Hi guys, let us solve this question quickly. We are given this equation 2 raised to power 2x squared divided by 4 raised to power x equals 16. And our target in this question is to find the value of x. To solve this problem, the best approach is to take each of the term to the same base, and that is the base of 2. The numerator is already in the base 2, so we are going to write 4 in base 2, and we are going to write 16 in base 2. 4 in base 2 is simply 2 raised to power 2 because 2 squared is 4. The power of 2 multiplies the original power of x, that's why we have 2x as the power now. 16 can be expressed as 2 raised to power 4. Now all of the terms are in the same base, and that is base 2. Let us cross multiply here. This 2 raised to power 2x is going to multiply 2 raised to power 4, and it will be equal to this. So we have 2 raised to power 2x squared, the numerator, equal to 2 raised to power 2x times 2 raised to power 4 by cross multiplication. Let's look at the right hand side carefully. They are in the same base of 2, and according to the multiplication law of indices, if the bases are the same, you take the base and add the power. The left hand side remains the same, but on the right hand side, we just take the base and we add the power, 2x plus 4. Now you can see that the bases are the same. Left hand side and the right hand side have the same basis. What it simply means is that the power will be the same as well. So 2x squared will be equal to 2x plus 4, equating the power. Now you are having a quadratic equation. To make it a proper quadratic equation, let's take the right hand side to the left. Let's transpose. So we are going to have 2x squared minus 2x minus 4 equals 0. So this quadratic equation is now very straightforward to solve. But there's something to take note of. 2 is common to each of the terms. So let us divide through by 2 to make the quadratic equation even simpler. If we do that, 2 into 2x squared, we have x squared. 2 into negative 2x, you have negative x. 2 into negative 4, you have negative 2. 2 into 0 is 0. So this becomes even a much more simpler quadratic equation. Let us solve by factorization. Of course, by factorization, you open two brackets that will contain the factors, and they are equal to 0. Of course, we have x and x because x times x will give us x squared. Now, let us look for the numbers here and here. The numbers can be obtained by determining two numbers when multiplied together will give us negative 2, and when we add those numbers, they should give us negative 1, the coefficient of x. Those numbers are negative 2 and positive 1. Negative 2 times positive 1 will give us negative 2. Negative 2 plus 1 gives us negative 1. So this is the factorization. What this means is that either this x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is what the factorization of quadratic equation implies. X minus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. From here, it simply means x equal to 2, or from here, it means x equal to negative 1. So the two possible value of x that satisfies this equation are 2 and minus 1. So this is the answer to this question. It is a very simple question, straightforward, and I believe you enjoyed it. You also understood it as well. If you did, then solve this very simple question and put your answer in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it, share it to your learning colleagues and friends, and most importantly, drop your comments in the comment section. Follow our page if you have not done so, and if you are watching us from YouTube, endeavor to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and see you in our next video.